is my Raider tailgating air conditioner. Maybe I'll go away. Should we take some candy?
I know I'm crazy because I loved you. I didn't mean to hurt your little soul. I made this whole thing up. Gotta go with the flow. 'Cause when the spirit comes, baby, you know it's rock and roll. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. You're so damn lazy. We can't have any fun. It makes me so sad. I hang out with no one. Well, thanks for the $20 you gave me for my meds. I'll pay you back someday, baby, when I clear my head. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
That my dad asked me to make him one. So what I have is I've made one that is a bigger cooler. The vents are at the top now, so I can add more ice. So it's endless, man. This thing can hold a lot. Look, check it out. See? Haven't even begun. You know, your beverages. So I have some frozen bags and or that, and none other than good old-fashioned ice. Ice. Now, as you can see, oh shoot, it's pretty big. It's pretty cool. Oh my God. This one is so much better because the holes are bigger, so more cold air is coming out. Is my Raider tailgating air conditioner. It's battery operated. You could take this guy anywhere.